Boom, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pan from Tech Dude, and if you are new to this channel, drop a like, drop a comment and subscribe my channel Tech Dude. And today we are going to unbox this Boult Z60 TWS, which is the best TWS under 1000 rupees, which I bought in this Diwali sale from Amazon. If you want to buy this, there is a link in the description. And this video is all about unboxing it and reviewing it. And let us roll the intro. So as you can see, this is the best TWS under 1000 rupees. So I'm very considerate about my budget. I have very low budget, so I have got this. I felt like this was the best TWS because it has a gaming mode under 1000 rupees, as well as it has a fast charging support, which will come in handy. Previously I used Oppo and Earbuds, but recently they also stopped working, so I have got this because it was a month in and have very tight budget. As you can see, it is in Boult TWS. It is the model number is Z60. As you can see here, it is an Indian's fastest growing product. And another thing is that compared to Boult, this product has quite quad mic with ENC. ENC is like electronic or noise cancellation, and it has super high battery life. Company claims that it can run up to 60 hours, and it also has fast charging support, which comes in handy. As you can see, it has ultra low latency as well as Bluetooth connectivity. It has easy voice assistant as well as dual master. It comes with quad mics, which will help in taking calls, or if you use your TWS to record audio, it will definitely help you guys. And another thing is that on the MRP it shows that it will cost you around 3000 rupees, but you will get it for 1000 rupees, and the link is in the description. And it also comes with a 1 year warranty and stuff. So let us remove this plastic cover here. So to remove this plastic, I have to use this screwdriver, and simple. After removing it, you have to just slide this off, and there is nothing inside the box. And as you can see here, you will see black packing bolt like you never before. And okay, as you can see, you will get a QR code where you can use it to claim 3 months extra warranty. Yeah, and inside you will get an extra ear tips from small size to large size, or medium large sizes, as well as you will get an user manual. Okay, so it also comes with IPX5 resistant, I guess, yeah. And let us keep this user manual aside. And inside there is nothing, and you will get an Type-C cable, which is often low quality. So, and this is an TWS in blue color. Oh god, let us remove this. Oh, fuck man, let's go. And it is all made up of plastic. And another thing is that uh, the magnet of this charger is also pretty good. As you can see, it has a notch over here. I will stay quiet for a while. And at bottom you will get an Type-C port for fast charging. And on the user manual, gesture control, as you can see, this shows how you can use your gesture. Tap on the MFB once to pay or close. Next track, double tap the earphones. Volume up, triple tap answer the call, tap. And previous track, triple tap to the left. Voice assistant, long press the earphones for 2 seconds. Volume minus, triple tap the left. End the call, just double tap. So let us keep this aside. And The plastic seems pretty good. Let me use it for 5 days and let me give you a review. Another thing is that it has quite good LED indicator, as well as the ear tip quality is also pretty good, as you can see. Let me focus it in. Yeah, god, why do I prefer TWS? Because you can use it how many days you ever want, or else it is cheap and it also produce better quality. Nowadays TWs are getting day by day better. My suggestion is to get a cheap TWS and use it, uh, but if you have budget, then you can go for higher users. And let me listen to the audio quality and let me tell you whether this TWS is worth it for the price or not. This is the TWS we are talking about. Talking about the build quality, the build quality is pretty solid and everything is plastic, and it is pretty durable, and it comes with a type C port. If you charge 10 minutes, it will give 150 hours of playback. And the another thing is that it comes with 4 mics or quad mics, so it is helpful while you are taking calls in traffic, because it cancels out all the audio which is happening behind. And the drawbacks are, one of the ear but battery drains faster than the another, like you have to roam like this. Yeah. And talking about the another advantage, the grip is very nice. As you can see, this ear tip is not coming. Yeah, see, as you can see, it is not coming off my ears. The grip is pretty decent, and the drawback is that one earphones drains faster than the another. And another thing is that the audio quality is just decent. The bass overshadows the vocals and another instrument. If you are an audiophile, I suggest you to get studio monitors, also known as IEMs. And usually studio monitors offer better sound clarity compared to this TWS, Bluetooth TWS, and they don't even have a delay in it like this have while playing games. And it also have minor delay while playing BGMI. I wanna at this point to you, instead of buying this TWS for 1000 rupees, add more 300 rupees and get IEMs or studio monitors for 1300 rupees, which will be worth and which will produce better audio quality than this if you are completely into music. So that's it for and I forgot to say you, I wanna make video on the studio monitors as well. I'm gonna get a basic 1300 rupees studio monitor from Headphone Zone, not sponsored by the way, and I'm gonna make a video on it. So if you're new to this channel, drop a like, drop a comment and subscribe my channel. Take you, signing off, your Tech Dude.